Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make $600 per week by taking surveys online. Trust me, this is not like any other survey website. It's not scam. It's proper legit, and you can just check out this website over here if you have any doubt related to that. They've paid over 7 million to its members, and they pay via PayPal. And you get hundreds of surveys easily added, and it's added every single day. All you have to do is click on this button, free get started, and as you can see over here, they pay up to $25 for 55 minutes, and the minimum wage rate for 1 hour is like $8 to $12, and by doing this you can earn up to $25 for 1 hour, and for 35 minutes you can earn up to $5, and 18 minutes you can get up to $1. All you have to do is add in your information, your details, and you just click on the continue button, and boom, you're done. There is good opportunity for you to earn money with this. All you have to do is sign up and just start taking surveys, and you can start earning money online. Do subscribe if you like this video.